Alright, this is what I call a bonus sale, even though I knew it was happening. I like going to a sale. How you doing?
Good.
Sorry I'm here so early. I'm looking for men's bathing suits, like...
I wouldn't know what's here.
Oh, okay. I'll take a look at it.
I don't think there's men's bathing suits. A lot of girl stuff.
Yeah, okay. Usually always have something I buy, so he's got some cool little scooters. He's got Tonka trucks. That's kind of cool. It's kind of cool. Tripod. That's kind of, you know, when you travel, I take a little tiny tripod. When I do use a tripod, I use it for gold mining, so the smaller, the less likely the wind will blow it over. I normally have to look really intense at his stuff because I walk by tons of stuff. He's got tons of cool stuff. I don't know how he buys him stuff, but he knows how to buy in bulk. Like this sewing box is really cool. But the problem is the people that would sew, it's a dying breed. No, you know, people don't sew anymore because, you know, it's unfortunately that like girls growing up are not taught to sew anymore by their mothers. So, like this, again, a girl would love this to make bracelets and stuff. Even even boys would like this. When I was a little kid, I would love to make this. But today's day and age, kids they just want cell phones. So. I need a lot of stuff today, but I really need bleach, liquids. He's got all these glue stick things. I mean, I got glue sticks at home, but it's awesome. If I was making shell jewelry, this stuff would come in handy too. Gel blasters. Interesting. What's this? Fort Myers Advantage glass cleaner. Oh, wow. It's got a lot of cell phones here. So this is another cracked screen. This one looks like mine. But the screen is cracked. I see. Sad. The screen. So it's Motorola. That's a Samsung, but it's a cracked screen. Sad. It's cracked there too.
Hey, have a good one, man. Good seeing you.
Just almost dropped it and cracked it myself. Yeah, it's got a crack in it, but just clean up here a little bit. Terrible. Using my shirt. Yeah, it doesn't polish up too bad. It's an older one. Let's see. I want the newer ones. Sad. Oh, what's this? This is interesting. I have no clue what that is. But the interesting thing is I need 2 pieces of metal, almost about that size. I might be able to bandsaw this apart. I don't want to spend much money though doing that if I have to wreck something. That's another thing on my list. I got weird stuff like that. Anyway, both those phones are interesting, but I'm not a Motorola guy, and since I saw it uses the old plug, I'm not really an old plug type of guy. See, these are just broken laptops. It's Apple broken. Got a nice battery down there. I thought it was lithium ion. The problem is that that's sitting on concrete, so if that's a lead acid that's sulfating right now. He's got some nice cameras here, but some cameras you just never know. Once cameras are installed and then ripped out and resold, forget it. The value drops to almost zero because damage occurs. This is that advanced cleaner thing. Air freshener, clean. What's this? Glass cleaner, interior cleaner. Okay, so that's like for a BMW. That's pretty cool. Mm-hmm. I have a glove just like this, actually. These are small gloves. This is cool. This little wrapper. It's got cool items. These are like, they're for the car, but some washing machine parts are very close to that. I like how he has this thing. So here's all his chemicals here. Yeah, like I would need shower bathroom cleaner, but his price is I have Ajax at home. Tumbleweeds. What's this? Start your fire with tumbleweeds. Okay. The one thing about cleaners that you could use antifreeze too. I have a lot of antifreeze. I hate to throw that on my roof. It's really stinking, but I have worked alcohol. Yeah, you could use that to clean too. But bleach is the best. Bleach cleans everything. Alright, I won't spend too much time here, but his prices are good. He's got a lot of perfume here. And this is really, you have to have stuff that attracts women too. So he really does a good job diversifying his stuff. He's got jewelry for women. He's got the beads. He's got a little men area. He mixes it up. Alright. So this is the kids area. He's got a lot of electronics, like karaoke machine, light machine. It's like some kind of air pump. Cash box. A Hershey's chocolate drink maker. Whoa. Wow. I don't mean. It's a battery. Sony Walkman. Wow. That's old. That's something you could possibly resell because it has nostalgic value. DVDs, yeah, I'm not into that thing. Wow, he's got a lot of roll over there. It's pretty cool. This guitar is cool. Chords, pots and pans, and we're back to the beginning. Real Flight, RC Flight Simulator? Oh, wow, that's horrible. Alright, let's see what else we got here. A lot of Christmas stuff. Anything in the garage for sale?
Any what?
Anything in the garage for sale?
Nope, right here out.
Okay.
Thank you.
Let's see.
Anything special you're looking for, or you just browsing like everybody else?
Well, I'm browsing, but I am looking for stuff. I look for lawnmowers, refrigerators, guns.
You're a appliance man.
Yeah, I hear you.
Can't hear you. Don't have the. Oh, no, I don't. I don't have any.
This is a nice shovel, but it's a little high. It's a nice pick, but I don't need it that bad. So everything's pretty well priced here. This is an airplane engine. That's cool. Fuel tanks for our airplane. It's a nice work thing. It was $10. It's all right. You have awesome stuff for sale. I'm admiring it.
I don't need room for more stuff, so.
I hear you. Oh, I like those plants. Oh, I got some aloe. The plates, my serving tray, old phone system, old phones, some old globes, old books, recyclables. These puppets aren't too bad. Hello. How much are your shirts? Are these men's?
I don't know.
How much are your shirts? Are these men's or women's?
Yeah, men's. These are $1.
$1? Okay. I'll have to check. Oh, I see medium. That's not good. Oh, great. Wonderful. There we go. There we go. Take a look at those clothes again. Okay, I've not been videoing the last couple garage sales been hit. I don't know why. The last garage sale, believe it or not, was actually, it had a really cool water slide. It was a toddler's water slide, like 3 years old you had to be. Otherwise, either you're too small or you'd be too big. But I should have videotaped it, but I didn't. So I said, you know what, let me just videotape this ottoman here. It's kind of weird. Some of this furniture, I'm not interested in furniture, especially at $950. So, just wanted to videotape to show that there's garage sales out here, but even this garage sale, it's just full of antiques. Everything is exorbitantly priced. And, music playing in the garage, mirrors, and back in 1975, that would have been a deal. But okay. That's it. This looks like a free area, but I'm about to go grab that stuff. All right, prices. This looked like another one of those little expensive estate sales. See, those clamps are not too bad, actually. I actually have a need for that. I'll have to make an offer on it. Alright. Problem is I only have a single need for it, so if I get both of them for $5, maybe that'll work. It's terrible. Alright. right. I need this stuff, but I'm not willing to pay for it. That's a nice big 17,000 watt generator. It's too bad they leave it out in the rain. It's not for sale either. Some jewelry. I like these little.
Coming back. You are style, come back.
I swear I went to this sale before. And someone's decorative stuff. Oh, that's one of those phone holders. The phone holders you put in your air conditioning vent in your car. It's just ground cleaner and brightener. $3. Probably use that stuff, but these are interesting. $3. It's pretty sad. This is a pneumatic polisher. It's interesting though. This is a nice tool for $5. Doesn't have the quick release on it though. I'm spoiled. I want the quick release. 24-hour mechanical timer. That'd be a good replacement for a pool. But they want $25 on it. Forget that. Somebody just picked up some lights I really wanted to buy. Terrible. Here's a moped. Is it 25 cents? I think it's 25 cents. 25 cents it's sold. I need it actually. I don't know if I have a head for it. I can use it just for a pad.
How much for that?
Let's see if they'll-
How much for the bench?
Bench part.
The bench part.
Thank you. Thank you. Have a great day.
Does this read 25 cents?
Yeah.
Okay, I just want to make sure. All right, I'm still shopping. See, this stuff just has the metal. I think they say $8. I don't know.
You grab my bracket.
Thank you very much. Have a good weekend.
Okay, I'll take that for 25. Let me ask you this: those wood grips, tighteners down there.
Wood?
I really couldn't see the price, but would you take $5 for both? I'm talking about these over here. Okay, I parked right next to a fire hydrant, which always seems to be the case. So it's a nice little wagon, but I need a utility wagon, not a nice little beach wagon like that.
Well, I'm gonna look my doctor one.
This is interesting.
Yeah, it was.
This is a nice brush, actually. I may need this. It's slightly abrasive. It's a quarter.
Oh, we're doing that. I was like, whatever. We're gonna have fun.
Mike, who's going as the scarecrow?
Me.
Yeah, it's an M in scarecrow.
How much are you asking?
See what we got here. There's a lot of Halloween costumes here. It's a good idea to sell them. Pressure washer, a tiny pressure washer. This would probably be good though for a roof job. Easy to haul up onto a roof, and it's electric.
But it has the vest,
It's tempting.
the gloves, the top, everything.
Prices are good here so far. Let's see what this is. How much is this thing? It's $1. I'm still thinking about it.
Okay.
This one, this is karate. This is the 70s, 80s, Raggedy Ann.
Yeah. For a scarecrow.
scarecrow?
Yeah, because
Awesome.
Charlotte's going as.
No, Penelope's going as Dorothy.
Oh, okay.
So I'm the Tin Man.
That's it. Alright, so the garage sales are getting even more sparse, but I thought I'd videotape them just to show you what I normally would not have videotaped. So, hello.
Some good music.
Let's see.
All different kinds.
A lot of country here.
Mm-hmm.
Looks interesting. This little boat, but it takes some work. Jumper. So, just a bunch of glassware over there. There's
It's a bougie Hawks to me, so it's really worth, you know, it needs somebody to play.
kitchen stuff and a lot of mirrors. These are nice. There's always for napkin. It's nice. Little cables. That's it. Alright, recap. Today I spent $11.25. I know, amazing. This is a Friday. So let me go over the purchases. Alright, so I got this for 25 cents. I need it because I need to mop my roof. Sounds weird, but or I may not need to mop the roof, I'm not sure. But anyway, I thought I got it for an extra tool in case I need to mop the roof. And if I don't need to mop the roof, I'll mop the floors of my house with it. Although I have a nice mop inside, I don't need that one. I need buckets. So these buckets were $1 each. Don't ask me why. Oh, they got 3 of them. Anyway, I need that to clean the car, and I needed to make cleaning solution for the house. And I don't know what happened to my other bucket. I had a really nice bucket. I think it's at my other house. But anyway, I probably need that bucket over there. But so I got 3 buckets for $1. So that's $3. These shirts were $1 each. I already inspected them. So who knows? I thought I saw that they were in good shape. So for $1 each, that's not too bad. It looks like they're in good shape. Just little fluffs here and there. I'm just gonna wash them both. So anyway, that's $5.25, and then for $6, they were asking $8 each on these. I got them down to $6 for both, which is amazing. Because I first started at $5 and then went up to $6. What I need these for is up in the attic. I'm taking out some joists and moving them, and I need I have the joist mending plates. I know this is overkill, right? The reason why the guy was selling them for $8, he goes, this thick piece of metal costs a lot of money. And the sad thing is I may need to cut one of these in half. But anyway, so that was $6. So anyway, $11.25. So hopefully better luck tomorrow.